Let me know if you want a full breakdown or tutorial on this look right here. And also, if you like this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell. It's right here, the notification bell, so you know exactly when I upload and you can see my latest videos right away. But without further ado, let's get into all new products for CXC Beauty. So I showed these earlier on my Instagram, and that's usually where I show all of my new product launches and sneak peeks before I show them anywhere else. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm going to put it right here. I was super excited to launch these lipsticks, and the whole idea behind my brand is very empowering, the people who empower you in your life and all those kinds of things. So I decided to name these 4 items after every single one of my aunts. So my mom has all sisters, and each one of them is represented in each one of these lipsticks. So the first shade for the CXC Beauty brand is gonna be a beautiful true red, and this one's called Marta, after my aunt Marta. It's a beautiful matte red, stunning shade. And the next shade is gonna be this one, which is a beautiful mauve tone shade. And this one's called Margarita, after my aunt Margarita. And here we have a beautiful nude shade, which I'm actually wearing on my lips. And this one is named Carmen, after my mother. And then last but not least, a very bright orangey shade, very perfect for spring, summer. And this shade represents my aunt Debbie. So this shade is called Debbie. Also, with the launch of those lipsticks, I decided that I wanted to launch some lip liners, and I chose these 2 shades because I felt it was essential and they match the corresponding lipsticks perfectly. So we have a red lip liner right here, and they're beautiful, creamy, very pigmented lip liners. They're like one swipe application. And this one matches perfectly to Marta. And then we have the nude one, which matches perfectly with the lip shade Carmen. So these are the first 2 lip liners for CXC Beauty, and there's gonna be a lot more to come, so stay tuned for those. These are super creamy and I love them. I absolutely love these lip liners. I'm actually wearing this one with this lip right now. Okay, and the next 2 items are very exciting for me as well as a makeup artist. You always wanna have really good tools. So as you know, I launched this brush right here, which is my shader brush. And this brush is amazing because it's a bit longer than a traditional shader brush, so it's perfect for packing on color, but it also has, do you see that? It's like more flexible and fluffy, so you can also blend out in the crease or use it to blend out the lower lash line. I just love this shade. I just love this brush because it's so versatile, but I felt like I, of course, needed more brushes in my line. So I present you the new brushes. So first we have this one right here. It's the CXC Beauty Precision Blender, and then I use this one today to apply product right into the crease and then also start blending that out. And the shape of this is very tapered, very pointy, perfect for applying a lot of color in the crease, blending it out. So if you're a fan of the original MAC 217, which is the goat hair brush, MAC discontinued this brush unfortunately, and it was my favorite brush, and they changed all their brushes to synthetic, but I feel like the 217 was never the same. But this brush right here is the perfect dupe for that. So if you like the original 217, this is a really good alternative for that one. And then last but not least for brushes, I have this new brush right here, and this is the CXC Beauty Fluffy Blender. So it's more along the lines of the MAC 224. So it's a more fluffy tip like that. And this lets you really blend out all your colors to perfection and just gives you that really diffused look. I also used it today to create this look. So here we have the 3 CXC Beauty brushes. You can literally create any look with these 3 brushes. And yeah, they're just perfect and they work really well together. If you want me to do like a dedicated brush video where I could show you all my favorite brushes and all that stuff, let me know in the comments below. So lastly, my final launch for this week was something that I felt was really essential for any collection, any makeup artist to have, and that is a really dark, creamy black eyeliner. And this one is super, super black. So as you can see, very creamy, very black, and it's just your essential black eyeliner. I used it in my waterline today. You can also use it to create your liner on the top, drag it out, do a wing. It's very, very versatile and very black. And I love it because it's a matte black. It's not shiny. And it's perfect. So everybody, that's everything I have for you today. I hope you're as excited as I am for these new products to launch on CXC Beauty. The official launch will be on Friday, February 1st. So all 4 lipsticks, 2 lip liners, the 2 new brushes, and the black eyeliner will launch this Friday, February 1st. And then everything else, of course, that I have on my face is available on cxcbeauty.com. I will leave all the products that I mentioned and the products I'm wearing on my eyes and face in the description bar below. I had an amazing time with you guys today, and I will see you in my next video.